Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Google Photos private. So, by default Google Photos private and safe, and only you can see files what you have in Google Photos, unless you share it with someone. So if you just install this application and sign in your account, then upload some photos, it's private and safe, and you don't need to check something or change something. Anyway, we can check share what you share with the users. You need to open Google Photos application, then click the profile icon at the right top. So first make sure that you use your correct account. You can click the arrow icon and then switch to another account, or you can also add your account if you haven't it here. So then go to the Google Photos settings and click at the sharing, or the same menu you can find if you click the bell icon, then 3 dots at the right top, manage sharing activity, and as you can see the same menu. So firstly check it for the links. Right here we have the link what you share, or at least copy on iPhone. You can also copy it and you will have it here, and the same for Android actually. So to remove this link, if you don't want to share it anymore, just click at the trash icon near to this link and then click delete. Then make the same for memories. I don't have memories, but if you have it, the same. And then we have conversation. You can enter into conversation, check what you share to this user, and you can also click at the 3 dots, sharing. And firstly you can change sharing settings, but right here we have only location, so you can disable location. And you can also leave this conversation. Near to you will have the button leave. Click at this button and then click leave. Now, if you want to check shared albums, you need to go back and return to the main Photos feed. Then go to Collections and click at the albums. So right here, select album and check. Right here, as you can see, I have 2 users, so I can click on it, and we can check that I already share, I'm an owner, and I share this album to some user. We can also change sharing settings. And we can remove this person if you don't want to share this album anymore. Just click at the 3 dots near to this person and then click remove and remove person. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.